Hi guys, Disney Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 16. Let's get it. Let's jump into the Discord to take a look at today's triggers. We have Ice, Sword, and Stoicism. Okay, I think I'm feeling very drawn to the Sword ones. I'm feeling like doing like a more traditional brutalist poster design, something like that. I'm seeing something maybe playing around with the symbol of the Christian cross and a sword. I'm getting some ideas with that, but nothing really concrete. So let's just hop into Photoshop and play around with it. Okay guys, this is the finished piece. I don't remember when it was that I saw this sort of, they were trying, this is not like a factual theory, but there was the thing about the Christian cross symbolizing like God's oppression over us. So it sort of symbolizes like a sword that's driven into the floor, right? And then the upside down cross, which we usually associate with Satanism, it actually symbolizes like the sword up in the air, like we are fighting this God oppression, right? I sort of this when I saw the word for sword, and I used Midjourney to come up with this image that then I developed this piece into, making something more pictorial, you know, something to have a bit more fun with. So yeah, this was the result. I really like it. Hope you do too. That's it, my guys. See you tomorrow, day 17. You already know how it is. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict. Shit.